Day number 30. Last day, 10 miles a day for 30 days. All done. I just want to thank everyone for the support. It really means a lot. I feel like we took this journey together and I just feel good. I feel accomplished. It hurt. It was a good type of hurt and it was really fun. And the fun part is right now where I can say that I ran 10 miles a day for 30 days straight. So thanks to everyone. I'm gonna keep this video pretty short just because I am making another video which will be out hopefully later today. I'm gonna compile all the days, all the clips, and do a comprehensive video for the whole 30 days. But I wanted to get this video out there just to thank everyone. I've got a ton of support, especially the last week or so. Just posting on my Instagram, just posting on YouTube. Everyone has been really nice, good things to say, and very supportive. And I really feel like we took this journey together. It was a lot of fun, so thank you all. I'll talk to you soon.